Luphumlo. Today we are at Blissful Farm in Monti, and I just wanted you guys to see how beautiful this place is. And I am with the owner, and I just asked her to just tell us a little bit about how, okay, the lighting, yeah, that's better. Just a 1 minute video of how this whole concept came about, yaqala njani and all of that. Okay, that's better.
So, welcome to Blissful Farm. My name is Zintle Mnyaka. We are on Thornplay Road in Beacon Bay, sorry.
Beacon Bay.
Yes, we're in Beacon Bay and we're a wellness retreat center. And everything that global leadership is actually doing is we do, but in a different way, on a wellness side of things, because we are about holistic wellness. And we offer retreats, we offer team building, we offer a spa. We've got a spa here. We've got accommodation.
Wow.
And so we can take maximum comfortably, especially with what we are going through right now. We can only take 10 people.
That's a good
but
number.
when we have people sharing, because we've got 3 cottages, and I mean a cottage and 3 chalets. The chalets
what's a chalet?
Chalet is a self-catering flatlet.
Okay.
So we've got 3 of those, and then we have a family cottage. So basically, it's a 2-bedroom house that has been put with everything that somebody needs for a getaway. So yes, we offer experience. We're about offering an experience. We're about offering an experience, and we hope everybody's gonna come and see us and join us. We've got games, so we do game walks and game drives.
Wow.
Yes,
what type of game do you have?
We've got zebras, we've got kudus, we've got impalas, we've got inyalas, we've got bucks.
This is great,
basically.
Guys.
Yes, come to Blissful Farm
and
enjoy.
Of course, this is. Okay.
Gosh, I'm not sure. I my voice and everything.
I just want to show you guys. Shobut. This is one of the guys. So this is really a beautiful place. I just want to show you how it looks. This is great. I love this. I love it when people are able to build. Oh, look at that. I love it when people are able to build from nothing. I think for me it's such a beautiful, inspiring thing to see someone who's come from nowhere building something that is bigger than her. So yeah, today we're here and we're actually doing a team building / leadership workshop here, and this is great. So I want to encourage all of you guys to come check this place out. Look at that. I want to encourage all of you guys to come check this place out. And it's really affordable. It's really, it's really affordable, guys. So yeah, and they actually do the catering and everything. So come check Blissful Farm out, guys. Awesome.